Hey, my people, now wow, this time around, this one I'm tired person, you know. See country. Now country name be this one. See bed, that bed they sing national anthem for China. And everybody will obey. Not be country be that. Just tell Nigeria, our president will come and go sing national anthem. Nobody go agree obey. See bed, they sing national anthem. And the singer, where? Everybody observe. I see camera full everywhere. They observe the bed where they sing national anthem. But for Nigeria, I pray for this country, they sing national anthem, people obey. Or even stand, they look. Oh, I beg you, God, sing me, get up for them, and that person enter. Your time don't expire. If I did lie, watch my video. Make you see the national anthem. When I talk about which China they sing, everybody do obey. Now bed, nice singer, everybody obey. Watch the video, make you see for my page.